When it comes to building muscle, proper nutrition and exercise are key. While supplements can provide additional support, they should not replace a well-balanced diet and a consistent training regimen. Here are 5 supplements that are commonly used by individuals looking to build muscle. 1. Whey protein. Whey protein is a fast-digesting protein that is rich in essential amino acids. It can be easily consumed in the form of shakes or smoothies and is effective for post-workout recovery and muscle protein synthesis. 2. Creatine. Creatine is one of the most researched and widely used supplements for muscle building. It helps increase strength, power, and muscle mass by enhancing the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary source of energy for muscle contractions. 3. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. BCAAs consist of 3 essential amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine. They play a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis and can help reduce muscle damage and promote recovery after intense workouts. 4. Beta-alanine. Beta-alanine is an amino acid that helps increase the levels of carnosine in muscles. Carnosine acts as a buffer, reducing the accumulation of lactic acid during high-intensity exercise. This can delay muscle fatigue and improve performance. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that offer numerous health benefits. They help reduce inflammation, improve joint health, and support muscle recovery. Sources include fish oil, krill oil, and vegetarian options like flaxseed oil or algae oil. Remember, before starting any new supplement, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure they align with your individual needs and health status. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what videos you want to see next. Your support and feedback mean the world to us. See you in the next one. Take care.